Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step solution of this mathematical problem by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent also. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. Now according to the BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now first step, simplify the inner square brackets, which is root 16, and root 16 the answer is 4. According to this step, by under the BODMAS, inner brackets B are prioritized first and inside them orders take the precedence. And now the expression becomes 64 divided by square bracket 4 multiply 2 plus 4 square bracket of plus 3 power cube. Now move to the next step. Solve the innermost round brackets, which is 2 plus 4. Now 2 plus 4 becomes 6. And according to this step, you must completely resolve the innermost brackets B before moving the outward. And the expression becomes 64 divided by square bracket 4 multiply by 6 and power 3 power cube. Now move to the next step. Solve the outer square brackets, which is 4 multiply by 6. Now 4 multiply by 6 is equals to 24, and according to this step, next completely clear the remaining square brackets and the expression becomes 64 divided by 24 plus 3 power cube. Move to the next step. Evaluate the powers and exponents. Now 3 power cube is equals to 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 becomes 27. And according to this step, now all the brackets are gone. Evaluate any remaining order and powers first. So now 64 divided by 24 plus 27 becomes the new expression. Now move to the next step. Now the next step, perform division. Division must be executed before addition. Now there is a division. 64 divided by 24. We can also write it like 64 divided by 24. After cutting the values, we'll get 8 by 3. And after we can get the answer in mixed fraction also 2 by 3. So now the expression becomes 8 by 3 plus 27 upon 1. So now the next, perform final addition and we can add the values, and after getting values add, we can take the denominator same, and after we'll get the answer 89 upon 3, and we can also write it down in mixed fraction. We can also write it down in the decimal. 29.67 is the final result. According to this expression, the conclusion is by strictly following the hierarchy of operations, the final exact answer is 29 2 by 3 is the correct answer. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.